Welcome y'all back to Whiplash TV. I appreciate y'all for coming back to check out another video here on the channel. Today I want to thank the people from Lasfit for providing one of their truck bed liners. This is a form-fitted truck bed liner made specifically for your year, make, and model and size bed of your pickup truck, which is going to be form-fitted instead of the old style rubber mat. So it's a big upgrade over that old rubber mat style. Let me show it to you. All right, so I've got a 2012 Chevy Silverado LTZ. It's a 1500 crew cab short bed truck. Y'all have probably seen this on the channel. If you haven't already, there is a video on everything on it, from the exhaust to the wheels, tires, you name it. So today we're going to get rid of this rubber bed liner. This is what the truck came with when I bought it. It has a bed liner already in it, and as you well know, with a truck bed liner, you're going to have some stuff sometimes that's going to slide all the way to the back of the bed of your truck, and it'll just go all over the place. So the rubber mat will help you to keep things from sliding all around. Now the rubber mat, it does sit up and above the ridges of your truck bed, which the form-fitted one is not going to do. And when that rubber mat sits on top of that ridge, it'll let dirt and debris get all underneath here. Now I try to keep mine pretty clean so it's not too dirty under there, but I know a lot of y'all have seen before where you'll get dirt, sticks, debris, even oil and liquids that'll run right underneath that. So this form-fitted one is going to be a big upgrade over this style here. Also, the new Lasfit liner is going to be a lot lighter weight. Although it's still rugged and thick and tough, it's not as heavy as this really thick and heavy rubber liner. So let's open up the Lasfit liner and take a look at it. So here is the Lasfit truck bed liner. So with all the edges kicked up and raised up, form-fitted to the bed of the truck, any liquids that are spilled on this are going to be contained from going up underneath the mat, and the only part that isn't raised up is the very back edge of the mat. So any liquids or water or anything spilled on this mat will come out the very back end of the truck. So here's a look at the original rubber truck bed liner versus the Lasfit truck bed liner. Here you can see how the rubber liner is sitting flat while the Lasfit one is molded and kicks up on the edges. So yeah, this mat is going to work a whole lot better than the old rubber mat. And not only is it going to work better, but it's going to look better too. You'll notice that they got every detail right, just like here where these notches are cut out of this rib. It's the same way here in the truck bed, where it has these notches that are cut out on the ribbing of the bed. So literally all you have to do to get the new liner installed is to take it out of the box and throw it into the back of your truck. If it has any ridges or anything to it from shipping, it'll just take a little bit of time and then it'll lay flat. So here's what it looks like installed. Like I said, all the ridges taken line up. I have a little bit of a ridge here from shipping. It'll just take a little bit of time and it'll lay on down. But you can see how it's molded to the bed of the truck. It looks really nice, just like molded floor mats inside of a vehicle. It's molded all around the bed of the truck. Looks really good. So that's about all there is to it. Super easy install, huge upgrade over the old rubber floor mat, and totally worth doing in my opinion. You can go over to lasfit.com and go get yours over there. You can also get a discount code. They have some fall specials running right now for Halloween. You can also get floor mats for your vehicle over there, as well as LED lights, and they even have tire inflator kits as well. They even make some running boards for certain vehicles too, and they're constantly adding new products to their website. So be sure to go check them out. But before you do head over to their website, don't forget to hit a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notifications bell down below. That way you get notified every time that I post a new video. Thank y'all for watching. Now go head over to lasfit.com and I'll catch you on the next video.